Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we're having a little celebration dinner for my friend Christina's birthday. You guys have probably seen them in my other vlogs, but yeah, we've been friends for about, wait, how long? 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We've been friends for like 15 years, but we always make it a point to celebrate each other's birthdays. So yeah, we have a lot of food ordered. We have Korean fried chicken, we got ribs, we have sushi ordered, and then I'm gonna make odenkuk and tteokbokki on the side. So yeah, we have a lot of food to eat, plus cake. I just spent my morning cleaning the house because I haven't gotten a chance to clean since I got back from Chicago, and now I'm gonna get cooking. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You been making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. How you sip a dime? I'm just trying to get my cash back. You been looking fine, so no wonder they can match that. Louis V scarf walked in with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She here.
Hi.
Becky here. First one to arrive.
Yes. I was supposed to give you on Christmas, but it was roasted in November of last year.
Oh,
But still.
I'm sure it's still good.
Thank you. You can also have, I don't know if you're going to drink chai.
Oh
yeah. Okay.
Oh, Partner's Coffee has good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those masks are really nice.
Ooh, thank you.
I wore them on the plane.
Wait, this is so pretty.
Well, I'm curious. I don't even know what this is.
Yeah, me either.
It's actually good timing.
Oh! Yeah, you can just rip it.
I didn't know you open gifts like that.
No, I like to respect the paper.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh!
Oh! This is so relevant.
You were my number one too. Oh, look at that.
Oh, she put the book down and she said,
Not just for you. This is your.
oh, the Christmas gift.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
We have another one. This is the soy sauce for the...
I'm tired of all these waiting nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just
I always wondered how people
people did this, but I realized it's because there's a string in the middle.
Oh, okay. I see what
Look
you
at
mean.
B-Day girl. It's big. Yay! I could taste this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks so nice.
No. Yo, this might be my baby bag too.
There's a lot of ways you can. She said. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Hey guys, I'm finally trying this out. I mentioned it in my previous vlog, but this is called Overtone, and it's basically a leave-in conditioner that is used to temporarily color your hair. I'm trying to only get the dyed parts. I mostly got everything. Wearing gloves to protect my hands from staining. What? It looks almost orange. Okay, here goes nothing. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off, and I'll show you guys in the morning when I have better lighting. It smells minty though. Hi guys, so it's the next morning and it's definitely a subtle difference since I already had peekaboo highlights, but I'm really surprised at the results. First of all, it was really easy to apply and all you have to do is rinse it out in the shower. I was a little skeptical because I thought that the color wouldn't show as much, but I feel like it covered pretty nicely. And overall, I'm really happy that the pink is a lighter pink versus like a super hot pink. So far, so good. Right now, I'm getting ready to go to Brooklyn to go to my sister's house. And tonight for dinner, we're gonna go to Chinatown to have dinner at a place called Hapki. That place has been around for many, many years now. I went with my parents when I was like 5. And they're still around, so like 20 plus years in business. It's like authentic Cantonese food and I can't wait. So yeah, I'm also gonna be sleeping over. Since my brother is visiting from Korea, I'm really excited. Gonna have a whole weekend of festivities and a lot of food.
Next stop, Horace Harding Expressway and 183rd Street.
I've been going to the places where we used to meet before, 'cause lately I've been feeling so confused. We've gone our separate ways and never see you face to face, but in my dreams I'm always running back to you. So tell me why I'm tripping over lines drawn between you and I. I've been such a fool. My mind I've tried so many times to run away and hide from my memories with you. Boy, when I close my eyes, you're there beside me on the beach. Then and when you say goodbye, it's still on my mind. Gotta find a way to stop thinking. Even if you don't have feelings, I won't let go so easily. Wishful thoughts don't change the truth, so I don't know why I'm still in love with you. Wishful thoughts won't make it. All I wanted was a bit of honesty, but you were fronted, you never really wanted me. When I asked you if you wanted to be more than friends, you went ahead and lied. Now I'm crashing, trying to get back on my feet, but it won't happen as long as you're still haunting